Using will and be going to can sometimes be confusing, but it's actually quite simple. Both are used to talk about future actions or events, but there are, of course, slight differences in their usage. In today's video, I'm explaining the difference, and there will be a quiz to practice your newly acquired knowledge. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, and of course, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any useful videos. Let's start with will. It is used to express a decision or promise made at the moment of speaking. This is very important. It's often used to talk about things that are unplanned or spontaneous. For example, now I'm sitting and I say, well, I'll help you with your homework. Be going to, on the other hand, is used to express a plan or intention that was made before the moment of speaking. Very important. It is often used to talk about things that are already decided or arranged. For example, I'm going to meet my friend tomorrow. We have already agreed. Now, let's test your understanding with 10 questions. All you need to do is choose will or be going to. 1. You come to the party tonight? Will, are you going to? Good. Will you come to the party tonight? 2. She buy a new car next week. Will or is going to? Good. She's going to, right? You plan to buy a car. 3. We have dinner at that new restaurant on my birthday. Will or are going to? Good. We're going to, because I'm planning my birthday dinner. 4. You help me with this project? Will are going to? Good. We're going to use will because I'm asking you for help, and right now you're going to decide whether you want to help me or you cannot. 5. She call her mom later. Will is going to. Probably this was an instant decision, so we're going to use will. She will call her mom later. All right, those 5 questions were kind of easy and a warm-up. Now things are going to get more complicated. We have A and B. Question 6. A. I don't think he come tonight. B. But he says he come tonight. A. Will. B. Is going to will. C. Will is going to. Good. The correct answer is I don't think he will come, and B is surprised because he knows about the plans and he says, well, he said he's going to come. This was his plan. Let's continue. 7. A. I've bought this paint because the kitchen. B. Oh, I'm sure it fantastic. A. I'm going to paint will look. B. Will paint is looking. C. Will paint, will look. Good. The correct answer is A. I'm going to paint this. I planned and I bought the paint. And the other person says, oh, I'm sure it will look fantastic. 8. A. What after you graduate? B. I around the world. A. Will you do I'm going to travel? B. Are you going to do I'm going to travel? C. Are you going to do I will travel? Here we're talking about their plans after graduation. So, good. What are you going to do? I'm going to travel. This is my plan, right? 9. A. To work today? Yes, but the traffic is awful, so I late. A. Will you drive? Will be. B. Will you drive? I'm going to be. C. Are you going to drive? I'm going to be. The correct answer is, are you going to drive to work? And yeah, I'm going to be late. So here, in the first sentence, we use be going to because we are asking about the intentions or plans. In the second one, we use be going to because we use be going to talk about something that you see is going to happen. Prediction. Remember that when you answer my next question. Question 10. A. They are winning 2-1 and there are only 2 minutes left. This match. B. No, I think maybe Bayern a goal in the last minute. A. Are going to win, will score. B. Will win, will score. C. Are going to win, are going to score. The correct answer is A. Are going to win, will score. In the first sentence here, we use be going to because we use it to talk about something that you see is going to happen, right? There are only 2 minutes left. So I'm making predictions based on that. In the second sentence, we use will because we use it for predictions when we talk about something we think will happen. At this point, you will say, wait, Marwa, you didn't explain that. The last question brings up the last usage of will and be going to for predictions. Let's look at these 2 examples. The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain soon. Both will and be going to can be used for making predictions about the future. But there are differences in their usage. Will is used for predictions based on what we think or believe will happen in the future. It is often used when we are making a guess or a judgment about a future event or situation. Example, I think she will pass the exam because she studied very hard. This is my opinion. Be going to is used for predictions based on evidence or present signs that a future event is likely to happen. It is often used when we are making a prediction based on something we can see or know at the present. Or know at the present moment. Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain soon. Let's test your understanding with some more questions. 1. I think they win the game because they are a strong team. Will or are going to. Well, I think I'm making a prediction based on my opinion. 2. The train is leaving in 5 minutes. I will miss it. I'm going to miss it. Good. I'm going to miss it. I'm making a prediction based on something that I know. It's going to leave in 5 minutes. 3. She's been feeling sick all day. I think she stay home tomorrow. Will is going to. She's going to. It is true that I'm using I think, but also there's a fact. She's been sick all day, right? 4. I have a feeling that he forget his keys again. Will be going to. Of course will. There is no evidence. That's what I think. Last question. I think they be late for the meeting. They're stuck in traffic. Will be going to. Of course, they're going to be late. Why? There's evidence they are stuck in traffic. Thanks for watching today's video, and let me know if you have any more questions about will versus be going to. I have also covered I have done, the present perfect, versus I have been doing, the present perfect continuous, in this video. So you may want to go ahead and check it out.